If you want more people to watch your videos and ultimately get more leads and more sales, you have to get better at your hooks. We talked about this today on my Social Success Club call, but your hooks have to show a transformation. Now, there's a lot of different types of hooks. There's curiosity, there's problem solving, there's desire, shocking, statistics, emotional hooks, negative hooks. Either way, they need to show some sort of transformation. So let's break this down. So if we're looking at like a curiosity-driven hook, you can't just say, I don't know who needs to hear this. That's too vague and it's overused. But if you make it more direct to your ideal client and the actual result, you're gonna see a better result in your views, your leads, and your sales. So for example, I don't know what digital marketer needs to hear this, but you need this one thing to make more sales with your content. It's curiosity. I didn't give the answer away in the hook, but it's also specific to the digital marketers and the result that they want. We look at like a problem solving hook. We want to mention the problem that your ideal client's having and how to solve it. You need to do these three things, or you need to consider these three things. In that caption or that video, I'm gonna tell them how to solve the problem. Now here's a ninja tip for those of you that stuck around this long in the video. You're gonna tell them why they need to solve the problem. Your product or your offer is the how. Then you have like shocking statistics. So this was one that we went over on today's Social Success Club, but we have a student in there who is targeting Gen Xers, and he had a very good statistic in the middle of his video, and he could use that as the hook, which said 72% of Gen Xers don't even have enough money in their savings account to blank, right? So that is going to attract Gen Xers that are struggling with that problem. Then you have like desire hooks. A lot of times desire hooks are gonna be like point of view, right? Point of view, you did this and now you have this. So it's like painting that vision or that desire for people. Emotional hooks. This is gonna be more that storytelling. So I can't believe I opened this app 12 months ago, started posting silly little videos, even though I was scared, and now I can go grocery shopping without checking my bank account. Like something that's pulling at those emotional problems, those symptoms that your audience is having. And then you have negative hooks, and negative hooks perform really well a lot of times because people are tired of the fluff. So this is gonna be those unpopular opinions, those mistakes that people are making, those really bold statements with what you do different or why you do it different. So I could say unpopular opinion, but if you're creating new content for your social media every single day, you're wasting your time. Here's what to do instead. So that's a negative hook. I'm telling you, you're wasting your time. Until you figure out how to tackle hooks and really show the desire, the problem, the transformation in the hook, people aren't going to watch your videos long enough to get to your call to action, which is why you're not getting opt-ins and it's why you're not making sales. Now, if you are trying to bring in leads and sales from TikTok, I am going to tell you, you need to check out the TikTok Tactics Challenge right there in my Stand Store. I give you 3 weeks of content prompts that are fill in the blank that is going to make this so simple for you. You also get training from me on what I did to grow this account so fast and how I made $100,000 on TikTok in 6 months with one offer. It's gonna make it super simple for you to start making sales on TikTok by getting super clear on your hooks.